Coming up.
This is again a lot.
And ain't get nothing. This stupid. Thought I was about to get mad and dumb. Gotta watch them type of
Got me begging you for mercy. Why won't you believe me?
I don't know, that song stuck in my head. Anyways, hey, positive vibes. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you'd like to be a part of the Positive Vibe gang, all you need to do is subscribe. As you can see, I got a new chair. How cute. The Hello Kitty. So cute, right? Today, I am reacting to Bhad Bhabie Overcooked audio. Bhad Bhabie has not dropped a song in I don't know how long, so many years. So I'm finally reacting to her song she just dropped. But most likely, I think this is the diss to Alabama. So without further ado, right to it.
bitch. You want my life. You want the dick I get.
Could you pee?
I got pee. Why not
You
you
wanna
doing?
worship the ground I walk on, cause you idolize me.
You
Bitch,
she
get
got
right, or don't
wash
get it all. Oh, you mad cause you want him? And ain't get nothing, but you love him? That's dumb. Oh, you want him? And ain't get nothing? This
So obviously, she is talking about Alabama, y'all. Supposedly, Alabama and Bhad Bhabie's baby daddy messed around. Apparently. But what does it even matter? And let's see again.
in a slut for no reason, get some money. Talk about me, bitch, you broke. I done rented up 100. Yeah, new car, new crib, type of bitch, make 'em spend cash on it.
Oh, you know what? Not gonna lie. For that girl to make Bhad Bhabie drop a diss about her, and Bhad Bhabie has dropped a song in a minute, that says a lot.
New lips, new tits, new waist. Yeah, don't she can't stabbing ass, look, ready to crash you. I get my head.
One thing about Bhad Bhabie, y'all, she is so bold, and that's not gonna change about her. Not gonna change.
Hands on the make it look like a brand new. Go and ask daddy for some money. Everybody know that's how you.
Go ask daddy for some. Y'all know her daddy is rich. Y'all know. If you don't, now you know.
Everybody know. Everybody know that I'm the biggest hating asshole. Try to steal my baby daddy. Fucking no. And got you pregnant. Try to play me close, back door.
Wait, what?
Pregnant. Try to play me close, you know. And got you pregnant. Try to play me close.
Who? She didn't name drop, but who? Clown.
Back door, me see it coming. Did all that for nothing. Still gon' come right back. Oh, you mad cause you want 'em? And
Yeah. Still gonna come back to her. So y'all messed around, did whatever. It don't matter. He's still going back to his name, you know.
ain't get nothing, but you love him. That's dummy.
No.
Oh, you want him? And ain't get nothing. This bitch stupid. Thought I was about to get mad and dumb. Gotta watch some type of always.
So I thought she was gonna get mad and double. It takes more than that for her.
This somebody man face want everything I got. Even wanna know how my takes. Everything I know is getting rich. I feel like 50, bitch. Platinum, I got gold plaques with me like I'm Britney. I caused 3 mentions, these bitches can't keep up. 10 million, 20 million, stop counting, getting too much. Why would I compete with a weird bitch to just get fucked? Keep lying, keep talking, keep tweeting till she get touched. Oh, you mad cause you want 'em? And ain't get nothing, but you love 'em? This bitch a dummy. Oh, you want 'em? And ain't get nothing? This bitch stupid, thought I was about to get mad and dumb. You're such an airhead dummy, bitch. You your letters on me, because everything that I'm saying is factual. Everything is the truth.
Okay. She went hard. She clocked that T, baby. Well, hopefully she starts dropping more music. It doesn't have to be a diss. It can just be a, real song of hers. That diss was song. Let's see if the other girl gonna drop a diss. That'll be something that she did. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.